Okay, I've come up to a bit of an obstacle now. I've just come down the bank there. I need to get up over the other side. I need to get across here, so I need to start looking at where's the best point to enter the water. Here we've got a tree that's fallen down. I can use that to support myself. I'm looking for the narrowest point. I can see this is probably the best place to cross, and I can see my exit up the bank there. I need to be quite careful. These are caiman infested waters and there's piranha everywhere. So I need to get across pretty quick. Now what I'm going to do is start prepping my kit. I know that everything inside here is waterproof. I've got it in a waterproof liner, but I'm just going to double check. Yeah. Everything inside here will stay dry, and I'll use the Bergen as a flotation aid. This will float and just give me a little bit more stability and buoyancy as I cross. Okay. Staying nice and calm, side paddling across. It's taking a huge amount of effort. It's only a very short piece of water that we're crossing, but physically it's quite demanding. I'm almost there. Okay, I can feel my legs touching the bottom now. Again, I'm just treading very carefully, trying to find my feet. Just draining all the water out. Everything inside here is dry because it's in my dry bag. It's very important that I do my straps up. A lot of the weight sits on your hips. Okay, that's it. That's how to cross a river. And now I'm going to make my way up through this point here and back up into the trees.